Welcome to the KEiBA 2011 Awards.
Best Business from the Creative Industries, sponsored by EMC Management Consultants and Creative Foundation.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a fantastic night. Good food, excellent company, and a true celebration of Kent business. We arrive at the final award for this year's KEiBAs. We've chosen to end on the best business in the creative industries. To present the awards, we have sponsors Desmond Hire from EMC and Yvette Ilsley from the Creative Foundation. Please welcome them.
Good evening. Last but not least, the joy of judging the creative business category is the variety of entrants that you get to go and talk to. From architects to animators, from fireworks to photography, from design to digital media. There really is a fantastic array of talent around the county, and we had to travel all over the place in order to see the applicants. As joint judges, we had quite a challenge. Lots of the businesses are so diverse that trying to make an easy comparison can be difficult. And certainly some were starting up and some were long established, but we certainly had a lot of fun. We as the Creative Foundation have a creative background and an interest in the remit of the creative industry. EMC, our partners, are business consultants, so it certainly made for a lot of interesting debate. And thank you very much to everybody who took part.
But yes, it is a business award, not just an award for the creative talent itself. So unfortunately, balance sheets and strategic planning and all those dull things were as important as the activity itself. And the businesses that made our shortlist had to demonstrate that they were really commercially viable in their own right. As we'd expect, we were impressed by all of them, and it really did confirm that application forms cannot ever convey the true spirit of an enterprise. But in the final three, we saw a boundless enthusiasm and motivation, which allied to a very clear commercial focus, it set them apart from the rest. And the finalists are...
Best Business from the Creative Industries, sponsored by EMC Management Consultants and Creative Foundation. World-famous fireworks. Formed in 1999, the world-famous fireworks earned a huge reputation as a creative pyrotechnic and outdoor theatre company, pushing the boundaries of fire and fireworks as an art form. It has used the magic of pyrotechny to attract new audiences to high-quality artistic shows. It also provides special effects for theatre, film, television, and events, whilst hosting workshops to develop creative pyrotechnic talent.